Où est la tanière du loup? Où?
An interrogative adverb meaning where, pronounced
Où?
similar to the où in moon. It signals the question's focus on location. It's essential for asking about the place or position of something.
Est.
The third person singular present tense form of the verb.
Être.
To be, pronounced.
Haï.
Like the in, say. Here, it acts as the linking verb connecting the subject.
Tanière.
To its location.
Là.
The definite article meaning the feminine singular. Pronounced.
Là.
Similar to la in laser. It specifies that the speaker is referring to a particular den.
Tanière.
A noun meaning den or lair. Pronounced.
Tanière.
With the emphasis on the first syllable. The is a soft, unrolled. It refers to the dwelling place of an animal.
Du.
A contraction of
De
the, where,
de.
is a preposition meaning of, and les is the definite article, the masculine singular. Pronounced.
Du.
Like dew, with a soft u sound, it shows possession. Here, it indicates the den belongs to the wolf.
Loup.
A noun meaning wolf. Pronounced.
Loup.
Similar to loup in look. It's the subject of the possessive preposition.
Du.
Putting it together.
Où est la tanière du loup? Guillemets double.
Means, where is the wolf's den? It's a straightforward question asking for the location of a wolf's lair.